Hi, and welcome to this unboxing video. This is a Black & Decker 1.5 blender with 2 mils. It's a 400 watt blender. It has 2 years warranty. It blends, grinds, and purees. It has 2 speed control with pulse and 2 grinding mills for coffee, herbs, and spices. I think this is the model number BX4000. So let's have a look around the box. Let's open it up and see what we have here. The first thing you get is this user manual. Then I have this, which is will be on the top. This is one of the nails. Open it up like this. Screw it on. Okay. This is the cover. This is the jug. And there is and also this one. Let's screw it. Let me check here. Yes, you can unscrew this. And this is the motor. It has pulse 0, 1, and 2. So you will put this, align this with this, like so, and unlock it. Now it's locked in place. Let you unlock it. This is the other one. You have to align this part. See the screw? Align it. Then you twist it. Same thing for the jug. Insert it and lock. And this part here. You align it with this part or this part, like so, and then you twist to lock it into place. And as I said, this part is to stop the spilling. Yep, this is the jug. Of course, we should remove this. This is a comparison between the Black & Decker blender and the Philips blender I unboxed in my last video. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.